Innovation driven by our customers' needs has always been our top priority. We constantly listen to the voice of thousands of successful digital marketers that use Volume every day to understand which innovations will be the most beneficial for them. Today, I am pleased to present the new Volume, enriched with game-changing new features. AI-powered traffic distribution optimization, automating the optimal distribution of traffic among your offers and landers, resulting in maximized ROI. Collaboration management, comprised of workspaces, multi-users, and shared reports, enabling structured and secure cross-collaboration both inside and outside your organization. Direct tracking pixel, enabling you to track both paid and organic traffic without the initial redirect. Custom domains, SSL certificates, enabling to optimize the redirect flow and secure the connection of the campaign funnel. In addition to these new features, we now offer a wide range of new add-on usage parameters and services to help you flexibly expand your base plan and scale cost-efficiently as your business grows. Also, to serve your cost-saving needs, we have now introduced convenient yearly subscription options. The new enriched Volume is now the most comprehensive tool for digital and performance marketers in the industry. Visit our website to find out more.